Hi guys, my name is Maria and today we will discuss some trading situations and of course some news. These are instruments from China to decrease the rate. These are instruments from the media that say that coronavirus is going to help dollar to rise. And those are technical instruments that I usually use. That is something that I want to combine and give you as a trading idea and as a help for you. If you like my videos, please press these fingers. Thank you very much. And of course, join my channel, join my Telegram channel. And also I have trading club for $5 a month. And I published a video for them today morning. And there are some technical situations that they can use for Euro, for Great Britain pound, for Canadian dollar. You can find this information via link under this video. Thank you. So now we go to those news that you have. What I do for many years, when you have a lot of headlines that tell you have to buy dollar, this is the moment to buy dollar. If you have some news that help you to understand that it is good to buy dollar, actually, that's all about current situation with the mess in America and with, you know what I'm talking about, and also with the situation about the coronavirus, with the forecasts that tell you that dollar will rise in future days or weeks because of this coronavirus. But also there are some forecasts that give you an idea that in like a year dollar will go down like 35%, that it will go really, really far down. All the news that you get via media help you to become less sure in what you know about the market. That is why you always have to know how to make technical situation with your personal knowledges. You have to know how to make these drawings that I show you. You have to know what to decide to buy or to sell and when and why. There are my subscribers, thank you very much guys, who give me power to keep doing this project, because they write, oh well, thank you, I do understand now why I should buy and when I should buy. That is why guys, news like from China that they decreased some rate, or from America that they are going to do something. This is just a moment to pay attention that here are some instruments that can get volatility, but not to buy or to sell right away. You need to combine it with the technical situation and after that to act. Now I will give you an idea about United States dollar, and also I would like to talk about Bitcoin actually. Let's take United States dollar and Bitcoin today. I think it's gonna be interesting for you, and let's go. We start with United States dollar. Look here, about the United States dollar, what I think is, let's go here. What I think is okay on monthly chart is to understand that there is no trend, and you have to understand it. There is no trend for now. New maximum, new minimum, and there is no renew of this maximum. There is no renew of this minimum. This is a flat situation since 2015, and you gotta live with this. So on weekly chart, you do understand with your eyes that this is a flat situation, but there are some trends. There are some local trends, some tendencies. Look, huge tendency going down, huge tendency going up, huge tendency going down. Maybe this is the moment for a tendency to go up now. How do we decide? You have to know that you make this tendency line and you understand that they didn't break it yet. What can we do? We can use, for example, Fibonacci extension. If you do decide that intradays there is a moment there is an opportunity to buy some United States dollar, you gotta use all these instruments. By the way, for Traders Club, there is a free video about the Fibonacci extension for Brent, for WTI, and levels that are actually done. But you have to go to that video, dear participants of Traders Club. You go to that video and you check what I showed you there, why I showed you some levels as a target, and after that you will be like more powerful to use these instruments. Any instrument that I'm showing you, they are good, but they are good for me. You can use them only after you by yourself make a forecast. You make a forecast and you see how it's done. After that, you will be really okay with what you do and what you'll hear from me. So for the nearest future, if they break up 97.46, after that price will go up to 98.13, okay? But if you use this Fibonacci extension and you think that here is a moment for price to go up, well, this is a good level of support, okay? I might buy it. You can do it, but only while price is being above this tendency. Tendency is going up. After that new long position for United States dollar, you can open only when you see the break of this level. Price goes up, stays above, and this is the moment to buy with the target 98.10. If price goes under this tendency line, they will go to 95.40. This is a forecast. So yeah, if they break this tendency, guys, they break it. Well, with other instruments, it's a long way to explain why, but they will go to 95.40. If being really short with this idea, look here, since 2015, they use this level. 95.40. So I think this is a good one to get as a target, nearest target after they break the local tendency. After, pay attention to my word, after they break this tendency, after they go above, we buy, after they go under this tendency, we sell, okay? So yeah, and also let's discuss the BTC with the United States dollar. Whole world is waiting for Bitcoin to jump above 10,000, and everyone is like, oh yeah, we know about 10,000 because this is the tendency line. Last week I had a talk with a lot of people who like to discuss some situation with the headlines like, oh yeah, this is a new maximum of a year, or this is like a breakdown of some level that is important since that time. Those are like only headlines, but if you ask people more about this situation, they don't know anything. And that's like a problem for traders because they read all those headlines and they think that, well, this is okay to understand what's going on. Guys, everyone is waiting for Bitcoin to jump up. Someone is telling me that this is a moment to sell with the target 3,000, even 3,000, not 6, not 5, $3,000 per Bitcoin. What I'm waiting for and what I act like. Yes, well, here is a level of resistance. It is important. The 10,000 level is important, but there is no sell signal yet. No sell signal yet. If we see those minimum prices and maximum prices going down on 1 hour chart, on 4 hour chart, so this is like down going tendency, after that I'll be like, okay guys, we stop our long positions. There is no opportunity for us to wait for way up. We stop and we wait for this correction, okay? How far this correction will go, we can get a little bit later this information after they start to go down. Those maximum and minimum extremums start to go down. After that, we can get a clue what's going on there. My idea is that, first of all, there is no sell signal yet. Second, that they can go to break those stops. This will be like a huge fast shot and they break some stops. After that, we can get an opportunity to go down. If they break this tendency line, this one, if they break it, so this is an opportunity for market to go to through 13,000. But let me show you. If they break this tendency line, after that they might test it, and after that go up to 13,000. So it's like a breath of market. It's never going only down or up. It's always having some moment to rest and for us to join this tendency. Okay, I hope this is understandable. So if you are in long positions, you gotta take your time to pay attention to this down going tendency if they start to go down on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart and so on. And if they break 10,000, well, I hope you will earn a lot of money on 13,000, but it's not a good moment to buy Bitcoin now. Above 10,000, it is okay to buy Bitcoin now. Okay. So yeah, I would like to remind you that today on Thursday we are waiting for some news from Great Britain, and this is a rate decision, and these are comments about the current economic situation due to facts that we have with the coronavirus, with President of America election and so on. So there are some news that will be important. If you need some forecasts, or you need some trading ideas about the Great Britain pound, what I do now, I do trade on the Great Britain pound. We see United States dollar and Japanese yen, only two currency pairs, without GBP Canadian dollar, without GBP in Audi, and so on. So yeah, there are only two pairs with the Great Britain pound that I trade now, and my ideas are in trading club for you special, and you can join this trading club. You are really welcome. I wish you profits, guys, and of course press these fingers under the video if I help you, and share your ideas about the market, about the Bitcoin, about well, anything that you want to about the market. I'm really thankful for you being so active under my videos, and of course I wish you a good day. See you later. Bye bye.